2 tips on what to do when you're overloaded with just too much work. Tip number 1, try to do some self-assessment and self-evaluation and ask yourself, is it really the amount of work which is the problem? Or is it because I'm struggling to accomplish them because I don't know how to do them properly? And therefore, the solution is training. Perhaps the solution is to acquire a certain software, a resource, or a gadget to get the job done. And this is something that you have to talk out with your manager. Number 2, sometimes you need to confront your manager and ask them what is the priority level for each task. So propose a schedule. Managers can be just so busy, they will keep on dumping work without telling you how important it is. So the next time around, talk to your manager and say, you want me to do X, Y, and Z. Can I do that first today? And can I do items 4, 5, and 6 tomorrow or to next week? That way, you can also guide your manager on how to accomplish tasks according to importance. Good luck.